Ever wondered what the top 5 AI programming languages are? In the realm of artificial intelligence, the language you choose can make all the difference. It's a world of complex algorithms and mind-boggling data. Today, we'll be exploring the top 5 AI programming languages, counting down from number 5 to the reigning champion at number 1. Starting at number 5, we have RR is a language that was designed by statisticians for statisticians. It provides a wide array of statistical and graphical techniques. With its package ecosystem, it's a strong choice for statistical computation, machine learning, and graphics. However, it's not the fastest language out there, and it can consume a lot of memory, so it's best used for data analysis rather than production systems. Next up at number 4 is Java. Java is widely used in large organizations, and for good reason. It offers a good balance of ease of use and performance, making it a solid choice for large-scale machine learning and AI applications. Java's strong typing helps to prevent bugs, and its readability makes it easier to maintain and debug code. However, for exploratory data analysis or quick prototyping, its verbosity can be a disadvantage. At number 3, we have C++. This is the go-to language for performance-critical applications. It's used in game engines, real-time systems, and high-frequency trading platforms. Its speed and ability to manage resources make it a great choice for AI programming, where performance is often crucial. However, C++ has a steep learning curve and can be difficult to master, especially for beginners. Moving on to number 2, we find Python. Python has become the de facto language for AI and machine learning. Its simple syntax, vast library support, and strong community make it a favorite among both beginners and experts. It's great for prototyping, and its libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and TensorFlow make it a powerful tool for machine learning and AI. However, Python's performance isn't as strong as some other languages, and it may not be the best choice for applications where speed is critical. And now, drumroll please, the number 1 AI programming language is Julia. Julia is a high-level, high-performance language for technical computing. It features a dynamic type system and automatic memory management. It's designed for parallelism and comes with packages for distributed computing. This makes it incredibly fast, even comparable to C++ in some cases. Julia's syntax is similar to Python's, making it easy to learn, and it's excellent for numerical and scientific computing. However, Julia's ecosystem isn't as mature as Python's or R's, and it might lack certain libraries or tools. There you have it, the top 5 AI programming languages. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious newbie, these languages offer a wealth of opportunities in the exciting world of AI. Remember, the best language for you depends on your specific needs, experience, and the nature of your project. So choose wisely, keep learning, and keep innovating. Until next time, stay curious,